Welcome friends. Let me introduce you to a simple workout planner that not only helps you track your fitness progress but also provides visual insights into your performance stats. Let me walk you through how it works step by step. Step 1. Start with the instructions tab that guides you through the correct sequence for smooth navigation. It also includes the quick links to different sections of the planner so you can get started right away. Step 2. Track your workouts. Next, head over to the workout tracker where you will find a dynamic calendar designed for each strength, cardio, and flexibility workouts. Whenever you complete an exercise, simply click on the corresponding date and the cell will automatically fill with these beautiful colors, making it super easy to see your activity at a glance. Step 3. Analyze your performance stats. This is where things get excited. The planner automatically tracks your progress and generates a chart that shows how many strength, cardio, and flexibility workouts you have completed each month. Want to focus on just one month? Simply select the month you're interested in, and if you want to see your full year progress, just clear the filter to view all the 12 months at once. Plus, you will be able to instantly identify which months were your most active in each workout category. So getting started is simple. If this sounds like the perfect tool to keep you accountable and motivated in your fitness journey, just click in the link in the description box below. And please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on building templates, productivity tools, and workflow automation. Thank you for your time. I hope this planner helps you crush your fitness goals.